You get a Windows XP look with modern stability. The 2026 edition runs on the latest Tiny 1125H2 core. Your system loads fast, uses less RAM, and keeps every action smooth on low hardware. Hi, this is Neil from Apidus, and today let me show you how you can get this running on your PC. You begin by creating Windows XP 2026 edition using the Tiny 11 Creator tool. Open the creator you downloaded from our official website. The link is in the pinned comment. Click Build and let it generate the installer automatically. If you prefer a ready-made installer, you can order it directly from our site. Why use the Tiny 11 Creator? Windows XP 2026 edition is built on the Tiny 11 core. This gives full support for modern apps, faster performance than stock Windows 11, and keeps the classic XP interface, sounds, and feel intact. Ensure you have a valid Windows 11 license. Only clean setups are supported. Build time depends on your internet speed. Avoid downloading custom OS builds from unofficial sites. Many contain spyware or keyloggers that can compromise your data. Our site is the only safe source. Use the official creator or the official installer exclusively. Once the build completes, the log will show build finished successfully. Your installer is ready to use. Next, you use Zeno, a compact tool that lets you install Windows XP without a bootable USB. Zeno comes included in our package. Open it and select the Windows XP installer you created earlier. Choose the drive where you want to install the system. Make sure the drive has no important files, as formatting will erase everything. Set the file system to NTFS and confirm. Zeno handles the installation automatically. Wait a few minutes until the setup finishes. Restart your PC. You should see a dual boot menu with Windows XP. If the menu doesn't appear, you can add the boot entry using a BCD editor like EasyBCD or Visual BCD. That's the complete process. No USB, no complex steps, just a clean installation. If Zeno gives an error or you prefer using a USB, Rufus is a simple and reliable option. Insert a USB drive with at least 8 gigabytes. Make sure it contains no important files, as the process will erase everything. Open Rufus, select your Windows XP installer, choose the USB drive, and start the build. The process usually takes 5 to 10 minutes depending on your system and USB speed. Once done, you'll have a bootable Windows XP USB. Restart your PC and press the boot menu key. Most devices use F12, F8, or Escape. If you're unsure, a quick search will show the correct key for your model. Windows XP setup will launch automatically. Select your region, time, and currency format. Enter your license key if you have one. When you reach the drive selection, double-check the drive as the installation will erase all data. Non-English users can adjust the language from settings after installation. Once installation finishes, Windows XP boots directly to the desktop, clean and ready. If you're on Windows 11 and want an instant speed boost, try our app Velotic. It converts your current Windows into Tiny 11 in a few clicks. Velotic isn't a cleaner, it's a system overhaul. It raises FPS, cuts lag, and keeps your PC running like it's brand new, every single day. CPU and GPU are tuned automatically. Junk files are deleted before you even notice. Hidden slowdowns? Gone in real time. You get over 500 pro-level tweaks, one-click Windows debloat, instant app installs, and smart power management that adapts to how you work or play. It even compresses data safely to free up 70% more space without deleting anything. This isn't a quick fix. It's the same technology used by power users and studios to keep systems fast and reliable. Built over 3 years, tested by thousands, and refined with every update. $19.99 once. Lifetime speed, zero effort. Velotic. Built for performance users who refuse slow. Now we move to the key step, turning Windows 11 into Tiny 11. Open Velotic, go to the debloat page, and press play. The tool handles everything for you. With one click, your system reaches Tiny 11 speed with no file loss and no broken features. You can check the full guide through the I button and the link in the description. After the setup finishes, open the Configure app and turn on compression. This cuts your disk usage roughly in half. The process takes about 30 minutes, so step away while it runs. When it completes, you'll have the full Windows XP 2026 edition running on the Tiny 1125 H2 core. You get XP's classic look with fully functional Windows Defender, Microsoft Store, and updates, all in a system that uses around 7 gigabytes. Everything works, including security and updates. Stock Windows usually takes 40 gigabytes or more before any apps are installed. This build gives the same core features in a much smaller, more efficient package. Once the installation is complete, connect to the internet. Open the Configure app and select the browser you want. I'm going with Chrome, but you can pick Edge, Opera, or Firefox. You're no longer tied to Edge. Comment which browser you use. I read every response. We're considering switching from Chrome to Zen. Have you tried Zen? Share your thoughts in the comments. Chrome installs in seconds. The process is fully automated with a single click. Once online, check out my YouTube channel and our partner channel. Subscribe if you like the content. You'll also find a link to our Discord server in the description. Join the community to get support, chat with others, and see early previews of upcoming builds. If you encounter random crashes or out-of-memory errors, you can fix it quickly. Open the Configure app, enable paging files, and restart your PC. This resolves most stability issues immediately. Paging files are off by default to keep the system light, but turning them on improves stability significantly. Next, let's handle drivers. Drivers manage your graphics, sound, input, network, and every part of your PC. In Windows XP Remastered, installing drivers is straightforward. No hunting random websites or messy installers. Open the Configure app and click Install Drivers. You can choose specific drivers or click Install All. Do you need drivers? If you game or edit videos, your graphics driver is essential. On laptops, drivers manage the touchpad, touchscreen, and function keys. On desktops, they handle Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, audio, and power features. Once installed, your PC runs smoothly and efficiently, ready for daily use. With Windows XP 2026 edition, you get a secure and reliable setup that boosts performance because it runs on our optimized Tiny 11 core. Random tools, unofficial theme packs, or hacks can slow your PC, break features, and expose you to malware. They modify system files in risky ways and often leave your system unstable. Here you pay for convenience and safety. You get a clean build that installs easily and works from day one. You get the classic Windows XP look without unsafe modifications. You get faster performance, lower resource use, and full support for modern apps. You save time, avoid issues, and keep your data secure. Thanks for watching. This is a PDUS signing off.